What is the dissimilarity between data and information? Data consists of raw facts and figures, while information is processed data that is organized and meaningful for decision making. Data is like puzzle pieces, and information is a complete picture they create. List a few instances of how data influences our everyday routines. Data influences our daily lives in various ways. First, weather forecasts. Data from weather stations helps predict the weather, aiding in activity planning. Second, social media. Platforms use data to personalize feeds and suggest content based on interests. Third, online shopping. Websites track browsing history to recommend products and tailor advertisements. Fourth, navigation apps. GPS data in apps offers real-time traffic updates and suggests optimal routes. Fifth, health monitoring. Wearable devices track health data like heart rate and steps to promote wellness. Sixth, smart devices. These gadgets collect data to automate tasks like adjusting thermostats or lights. Enumerate the various categories of data misplacement. Categories of data misplacement include: first, accidental deletion, unintentional removal of data from a device or system. Second, hardware failure, inaccessibility of data due to hardware damage or malfunction. Third, software corruption, loss or alteration of data from software errors or bugs. Fourth, cyberattacks, data compromise or theft by hackers using techniques like phishing or malware. Fifth, natural disasters, data loss or destruction from events like floods or fires damaging. Storage devices. Can you define data footprints? Outline the diverse sorts of data footprints. Data footprints are digital traces left by our online activities. They include: first, browsing history, records of visited websites and online searches. Second, social media activity, posts, comments, likes, and shares on social platforms. Third, location data, information about places visited from GPS devices. Fourth, online purchases, details of items bought and transactions on e-commerce sites. Fifth, email communications, records of sent, received, and stored emails. Elucidate the DICA framework. The DICA framework includes: 1. Data, raw facts like numbers or words. 2. Information, processed data that's organized and useful. 3. Knowledge, interpreted information used to make decisions. 4. Wisdom, applying knowledge and experience wisely. What is the rationale behind maintaining a data retrieval strategy? A data retrieval strategy ensures easy access to data when needed, like organizing your things to find them quickly. Without it, data gets disorganized, making it hard to use.